Hi everyone, I went to Michael's and I got two grab bags or grab boxes, and I got these two particularly because it had a Santa Claus attached to it, and then the second one has a snowman attached to it. So I really wanted those, so that's why I grabbed these two boxes. So we're gonna take them inside and see what we got. Okay, so this is box number one, and this is going to be the Santa Claus box. I'll see how long this video goes, and we might do them separate. Oh my gosh, how funny. Oh, it's Valentine's Day. I was like, how funny, I got like a little cat mold. Okay, so I didn't realize it's for Valentine's Day. I don't know how this is Valentine's Day themed, but there's a cat, and it looks like a, what are those crackers? Those little, oh my gosh, totally drawing a blank. Those little like fishy crackers. So this box, I guess, is going to be mixed with Valentine's Day and Christmas. This is a Christmas little tree right here in a pink. I have a bow. I have some Christmas trees, like cutouts right here. Looks like there's two in that pack. There's another pack of those. What is this? Oh, create a little village. That's really cute. Wow, this was $10 if it would have been full price. And here's everything you get in this build a little village. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Beads. I found some Valentine's Day beads in here. Oh, see, I didn't realize when Valentine's Day went 90. And I should have gone to the store even when it was 80. I totally would have bought these, but I'm so excited that I got one of those. I got quite a bit of ribbon in here. So I have this ribbon. Holy cow, that's expensive. $25 full price. Who pays for this stuff? Like, no wonder why it ended up in these boxes. This one's $25 also, but this looks like a wood. I personally wouldn't use either one of those. So I'm going to see if one of my crafty friends wants one of those. Oh, cute. This is a countdown to Santa's coming. So how many more sleeps? So you could just write it on here. That's really cute. Oh, there is another one of these little kits. There we go. Now you can see a little bit better. So this is a light up Christmas tree kit. Oh, it looks like it's out of wood. See. Oh, okay, so you actually paint the tree and put it together, and then it comes with a little light. Honestly, I don't see myself doing this tree, but I definitely want to keep that little light, little fairy light. That is really cute. I'll probably take the paintbrush, so I'll take a couple little items out of here and then see what I do with the rest of that. There is a little pick right here. Not sure if it's missing flowers or what. It's missing from here. That was $1.99 for that one. Ooh, this is cute. So it is this like fuzzy little ribbon. Originally $13. But this looks like if you have a snowman, you could totally use this to tie a scarf around your snowman. I think that'd be really cute. Maybe like a belly band for like a Christmas junk journal. Oh, I like that one. So there's not very many items in here so far that I would like to keep. This one's nice. I would probably keep this and use this for like some junk journal stuff. That was a $13 ribbon. There is this like little ring. I guess you could put like something in the center here. Oh, it doesn't even have like the original tag to tell me how much that one cost. Got another ribbon here, black and white. Okay, this box has a lot of ribbon. If this was a $5 box, I would be happy, but the fact that it cost me $10, I'm not really happy with it. I don't even see myself keeping 10 items out of here. Okay, these glitter pine cones were $7. There's something in here that smells kind of like cinnamony. Oh, I wonder if it's this one. So this is a pine cone mix, again, $7. Oh, it's this one that has like a fragrance. And look, some of these pine cones are red. But yeah, oh, there's a green one in here also. But yeah, this has some kind of like fall kind of fragrance to it. Let's see. Oh, I found another one of those Christmas tree packs. There's another one of those smaller pinecone ones, but this one has gold. Yeah, not very, very thrilled for my $10. Other than the Santa Claus, love that. My beads, love that. Let's see, there's like 2 of these with the white pine cones. There, what is this? Oh, a monogram magnet. Is it broken? Looks like it got sliced. I'll save this. My brother, I could use this for my brother and my little nephew, since they share the same name. So that one is a win. Oh, how funny. There is like little light up lights that look like snowflakes. Is there a button to light this up? Where does it light up? Oh, up here. Oh, I don't think it works. I don't see any light on this. Okay, well, I don't know if I'm doing that wrong. Let's see, another pack of the red and white. Another pack of the gold. Oh, there's a pretty ribbon over here. This one says Merry Christmas. I could use this for my crafting. 2 more packs of pine cones. Oh, this one was actually broken. So that one's missing some. Another pack of pine cones. And another ribbon. Let me see how many items I got in total. So if I counted correctly, I got 27 items for my $10. Now, this is why I was hesitant to buy them, because I just feel at $10, they're not really worth it. Like, I got so many pine cones that I'm not even going to keep. Those will probably go to, like, Goodwill donation. I got these, like, jumbo ribbons that I know they're for, like, wreath making, but honestly, I probably won't use it. Some of the smaller ribbon, like this, I might keep and then share some of it. These, like, little Valentine's Day silicone things over here. I mean, I guess I can make ice with it. But, yeah, I probably won't be keeping these either. So, I probably won't even be keeping half the items, honestly. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you feel like it was worth it or not? Let me know down below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap this video up here, and then I will do box number 2 in a separate video. And hopefully we'll get a few more items that I like out of there. All right, bye, guys.